Hey folks, AJ here. We're in Tampa and we are heading to Friendly Missionary Baptist Church to do an on-site here. I actually took the wrong turn, so I had to do a humongous cross the water U-turn to come back. So I'm about 7 miles away. So let's get to going. Loving the weather right now. So anyway, let's get down there. Let's see what we can do to help them out.
Oh no, it don't come out till next week, but I was asleep at my grandparents'
Is that the DSL? Holes that was up there, somebody, they covered up, they probably go right through there.
Okay.
And then wanted to put something right here, but you got a lot going on, so it may not be something big, maybe a 30, or something, whatever, fit up there. That won't be a violation and let, you see from the pulpit. And then, if need, I don't think we need to, one or two, but we may have a, cancer gadgets. So, this is the computer, oh, go ahead.
No, you fine. You go ahead.
This is the computer that we're going to start with.
Okay.
All of this stuff I haven't touched. I don't know anything about any of this, any of that to hook up. We really want, if possible, to a higher. This was working operational to those
Projectors.
projectors.
Okay.
At one point when we first got here.
All right, folks, we're here. We're wrapping up. We got everybody set up here. See, I'm putting everybody on camera. Say hello, everybody. So here at Friendly Missionary Baptist Church, so they have an A10 Mini Pro. We got them set up with their sound system. You know, they had to spend a humongous amount of money to get everything live streaming for Sunday, which is in total a $9 cable. That's all they needed. So they're gonna be set up. You know, again, we always say, start with what you got, folks. It's like, it's a process. It's all we're going to learn. But we got them set up so that the A10 Mini Pro can live stream, got them presenter. They just got to do the accounts. So from a bare minimum, even if it was just a camera connected, they could just go to the A10 software, copy the Facebook code, hit on air, and they'll be live streaming that way. So, yay! Mission number one done. So we're gonna be getting on the road, heading up to Spring Hill here next, and then we hitting up Cornerstone tomorrow morning. So, yay! Hit the road running, and we can get some chow, and then go to sleep. Yay!